Hey, great day to you. So how to import data from Walmart to QuickBooks Online? Well, down in the description of the video, I have a really cool connector app for you. It's called Link My Books. There's a free trial for Link My Books and also a 50% off for 3 whole month coupon code and discount code. It's in the description. Now, what Link My Books can help you do is it can help you connect your Walmart to QuickBooks Online, but also if you have like eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, WooCommerce, or Square, you can connect them as well to QuickBooks or Xero as well. You can import their data to those channels, QuickBooks and Xero. So it's basically accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Now, we have also prepared some videos for you on how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers, but also for accountants and bookkeepers, because e-commerce sellers, accountants, and bookkeepers can use Link My Books and can get a lot from this accounting bookkeeping software. So the first video we have for you down in the description is how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. There, myself, Baba Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the CEO and co-founder of Link My Books. There we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. So from A to Z, you'll see how to use the platform, how it works, and how it can ease your life and ease your bookkeeping and accounting. By the way, I want to mention that with the free trial down in the description, you also get free onboarding. So you can ask any question and the guys will be able and will be glad actually to help you out to get the maximum out of Link My Books. And the second video is how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers, 41-minute tutorial with myself, Baba Evan, and Daniel Little, the CEO and co-founder of Link My Books, where we show you how to use this tool for bookkeepers and accountants. So if you have a small accounting firm or big accounting firm, then it doesn't matter because it's good for bigger accountants, smaller accountants, and that's a tool that can help you streamline your operations and hopefully save a lot of time and even hopefully make more money, because by saving a lot of time on the operations that you have in your business, by automating them, hopefully you can get more clients. Of course, I cannot have any financial kind of guarantee here or anything like that. That makes sense, I hope, to you. But because you can save a lot of time, you can actually hopefully onboard more clients. So that's Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So again, down in the description, you have the free trial for Link My Books and a special coupon code 50% off for 3 whole months. Check it out there. If you want to, again, import data from Walmart or from other platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, eBay, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, and Square to QuickBooks or Xero, then check out Link My Books. Free trial in the description, best discount. I'm wishing you a great day. Thank you for watching. Big luck in your business. Let's go.